Hey everyone, I'm Ayesha Curry. Today I'm going to be sharing my recipe for my chicken bites with umami sauce for my new cookbook, The Full Plate. These are sophisticated chicken bites, you guys. You start by making breading. All-purpose flour, cornstarch, herb de Provence. We have paprika, we have a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. That's your dredge. Key. Cornstarch is going to give you that crispy crunch that we all know and love. And then before you dredge, you want to soak cubed up chicken bites in some soy sauce. That is going to tenderize the chicken. It's going to give it this delicious umami flavor. And then that breading that I just talked you through is going to seal in the juices. You can definitely sub the chicken and do like cauliflower, jackfruit, portobello mushroom, or some sort of squash in that same breading. Dip in the egg, dip in the flour, and into the hot oil, 3 to 4 minutes until it's done. With chicken, you always want to make sure that it's cooked all the way through. So do a little tester, pull it open, and then keep it moving if it's done, and you'll know each batch 3 to 4 minutes. So easy and delicious, little flavor bombs. And then our umami sauce. I freaking love this sauce. Creamy, sweet, salty, has a little acidity in there, so it's just mayo, ketchup, honey, a little turmeric, so anti-inflammatory action. Squeeze a little bit of lime juice in there for that acidity, and then a little tiny bit of salt and pepper to taste. I don't give a measurement for that because everybody's very particular about how much salt they want in their dish, and so I really leave it up to the chef. Oh, great. Okay. So guys, the next time you're at home with your kids, whether it's a weekday or weekend, and you want to skip the drive-thru, make these chicken bites at home with that delicious umami sauce. You won't regret it.